I'm the coordinator of the Educator program. I am getting people who are new to crafting or who are interested to get them to start doing something that they enjoy. With the program, I was able to help someone who really just wanted to get into it. She now does YouTube channel and she's one of our educators. I'm just happy that she's becoming very successful in doing what she does. There are many, many people that I come across with our Educator program, and I'm so proud that Altenew is the starter in all this. No other company in stamping company has an Educator program. Only Altenew did that. And Nabil, he is a great leader in all this. He encourages us and pushes us to do our best. And I'm just happy I happen to be at the right place at the right time.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.